Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel web. So instead of that, you can use your Alt key keyboard shortcut. So I just going to show how to create a uppercase and lowercase Alt symbol like this, delta symbol like this. So first for the first, this will be Alt. You just want to press Alt key with 30, then and this was you just want to press Alt key with 2 3 5. Okay, so I'm just going to show how it look like. So press the Alt key and just type 30. Press the Alt key, type 30, leave the Alt key. Press Alt key, type 30 and leave the Alt key. This is how it look and work. And press Alt key, type 235 and leave the key. Press Alt key, type 235, leave the key. The same process can be repeated, and you can just easily create the uppercase and lowercase delta symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.